If you have been told by your doctor that you have type 2 diabetes, you should learn everything that you can in order to make sure you have a good type 2 diabetes prognosis. The learning process will help you to be aware of all aspects of type 2 diabetes so that you can take care of yourself the way you need to. Aspects of this condition that you need to know about include the type 2 diabetes diet that you should be on. Your doctor or a dietitian can help you with this aspect as well with the type of type 2 diabetes food that you should. You should also be aware of the type 2 diabetes symptoms so you can contact your doctor once you notice them. This will allow your doctor to act fast and do what he or she needs to do in order to take care of the complication that has arose. This will help in you having a good type 2 diabetes prognosis. Keeping your doctor informed and making note of any changes that you may have should also be a big part of your type 2 diabetes treatment. Keeping a type 2 diabetes journal is the best way to make sure you don't forget a symptom that you may have noticed, or you don't forget any questions that you may have for your doctor. Diabetes is an ongoing condition that patients have to learn to live with. The more information they learn and the better they take care of themselves, will lead to a healthier life. Your doctor needs to know almost everything he can about your lifestyle, your eating habits, and any kind of problems that may arise in order to treat you properly. With the type 2 diabetes journal, your doctor will be able to have you on the right dose of prescribed medication per the way you live as well as per the results of your blood tests. With all of this information kept current for your doctor to review and monitor, your type 2 diabetes prognosis could be very good for the future of your condition. Learn more at type-2-diabetes-prognosis.info.